Meet Oregano Hydrosol, a powerful aromatic water revered for its protective and cleansing strength. Born from the rugged hillsides of the Mediterranean, it is nature's bold guardian. Botanically known as Origanum vulgare from the Lamiaceae family. It thrives in the rich soils of Greece and Turkey. This potent water is distilled directly from the aerial parts of the plant. It carries a strong, herbaceous aroma with sharp, peppery notes. It is widely recognized for its intense character and potent antimicrobial properties. Its benefits are vast. It addresses stubborn skin issues and helps cleanse oily skin. It can offer immune and digestive support when used correctly as a food-grade addition. And it acts as a formidable household disinfectant. Practical uses include a refreshing foot spray for fungal care, adding a splash to warm tea for daily wellness, or using it as a natural, effective surface cleaner. However, potency requires caution. Always dilute before applying to skin, and avoid use with infants or during pregnancy. Oregano Hydrosol offers bold protection for your immunity, skin health, and home. Nature's strong shield.